Welcome to English Blossom. Today's story is about Maya, a young woman who decided to transform her English speaking skills in just 30 days. Her journey will show you that consistency, confidence, and the right attitude can change everything. As you listen, repeat key sentences aloud and notice how new words are used in real situations. Let's begin Maya's journey to fluency and confidence. Maya lived in a small town in India. She was smart, kind, and ambitious. But there was one problem. She couldn't speak English fluently. Whenever someone asked her a question in English, her heart started racing. She would freeze, hesitate, and finally smile awkwardly. One day during a job interview, the interviewer said, "Tell me about yourself." Maya stammered, Myself is Maya. I am working hard." The interviewer smiled politely, but she knew she had lost the chance. That evening, Maya sat alone and said to herself, "Enough is enough. I will improve my English in 30 days." Maya didn't join an expensive course. Instead, she made her own 30-day plan. She divided it into 4 weeks. Week 1, listening and thinking in English. Week 2, speaking daily. Week 3, grammar and vocabulary practice. Week 4, real conversations. She started with small habits, watching short English videos daily, listening to slow podcasts, talking to herself in front of the mirror. At first, it was awkward. She laughed at herself but didn't give up. Every morning she said, "I am improving day by day. I can speak English confidently." In the second week, Maya practiced in front of her mirror every day. She would look at herself and say, "Good morning, Maya. How are you today? I'm feeling confident. I'm learning English and it feels great." She didn't wait for anyone to correct her. She corrected herself. Sometimes she recorded her voice and listened to it. She noticed her mistakes and improved pronunciation. You can do the same. Record your voice, listen carefully, and compare it with native pronunciation. By the third week, Maya wanted to test her skills. She went to a nearby coffee shop and ordered in English. "Hi, can I have one cappuccino, please?" The waiter smiled and replied, "Sure. Anything else?" Maya replied confidently, "No, that's all." "Thank you." It was a small moment, but to her, it felt like a victory. For the first time, she felt confident speaking to a stranger in English. That night, she wrote in her journal, "Today, I spoke English without fear." It's a big step forward. In week 4, Maya joined an online English speaking group. People from different countries joined daily Zoom calls to practice English. At first, Maya was shy. Her voice trembled when she spoke. But others encouraged her. One person said, "Don't worry about mistakes." "Mistakes mean you are learning." Maya smiled and replied, "Yes, I'm learning. Thank you." Every day she spoke a little more. Her sentences became clearer, her confidence stronger. Tip for learners: join online conversation groups or find a speaking partner. Real conversation builds fluency faster than studying alone. At the end of 30 days, Maya looked back. She watched her old videos and couldn't believe how much she had improved. She could now speak in complete sentences, understand native speakers, use new vocabulary naturally, express her thoughts with confidence. Her friends noticed it too. They said, "Maya, your English sounds amazing now." And she replied with a smile, "Thank you. I just practiced every day." Maya's story teaches us 5 golden rules. 1. Practice daily, even 10 minutes. 2. Think in English, not your native language. 3. Don't fear mistakes, they are your teachers. 4. Listen more, movies, podcasts, and real conversations. 5. Speak confidently, your voice matters. Repeat after me. I can speak English confidently. Every day I am improving. I believe in my voice. 30 days later, Maya didn't just learn English, she found her confidence. She proved that consistency is more powerful than talent. You can do the same. Start today. Speak to yourself. Watch English videos. Repeat aloud. In 30 days, you'll feel the difference. Because fluency isn't a dream, it's a daily habit. Your journey to English fluency begins today. Be brave, be consistent, and you'll shine like Maya. And that was Maya's 30-day journey to fluency. She didn't just improve her English, she changed her mindset, her confidence, and her life. Remember, you too can become fluent in English if you practice every single day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking today. Your English will grow, your confidence will rise, and your dreams will get closer. Repeat with me, I believe in myself. I can speak English fluently because yes, you can. If this story inspired you and helped you learn something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Blossom for more English learning stories every week. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Together, let's make English learning easy, fun, and powerful. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next story, only on English Blossom.